Hello, good people. This is Dr. Lou. Today, we want to have a conversation on some key texts on the Duvalier regime, the reign of terror, um, which you had a father, François Duvalier or Papa Dog, and his son, Jean-Claude Duvalier, who assumed power from the 1950s until the 1980s. Okay, so I'm gonna provide a brief summary of the key texts or some major texts on the subject matter. Okay, I guess you this is where you should begin. You should begin with this classic text: Haiti, State Against Nation, Origins and Legacy, Duvalierism. So this text was written by the Haitian, renowned Haitian anthropologist and historian, Michel Rolf Trouillot. But most people know Trouillot as an anthropologist, rather, you know, a historian. But he was a historian as well. He wrote some good historical books about Haiti. But in Haiti, is known as a historian, primarily as a historian. But in the States, in the United States, is known more like an anthropologist. So now this text is a critical studies. It provides a critical analysis on the Duvalier regime. It begins with nationalism and dependency. You know how Duvalier uses nationalism as an ideology, not only to persuade the Haitian people to embrace his politics, uh, but also to support his administration. Now, the what's interesting about this text, what Trouillot is able to do, is to trace the problem, the political crisis of Haiti, even before the genesis of Duvalierism. Okay, so Trouillot provides an overview, beginning in colonial Haiti with the problem of class, color, and culture. Okay, that that's gonna shape the Duvalier administration. In fact, this is one of the most important chapters in this book, chapter 4, culture, color, and politics. Right? How Duvalier, I'm talking about the father, uses culture, Haitian voodoo, uh, to advance his own political agenda. Now, Trouillot also discusses how the Duvalier administration has become not only the enemy of the Haitian people, but also has created a division, right, between the state itself and the nation of Haiti. Okay, again, Haiti against state against nation. Uh, Another important text I want to bring your attention to is by Elizabeth Abbott. Okay, it's called Haiti: The First Inside Account, the Duvaliers and what and their legacy. So this text was published in 1988. Now, Elizabeth begins her work by setting the historical context, the historical trajectories to understand the rise of François Duvalier and power. So she begins with the American occupation, right? The American occupation that begins in 1915 and ended in 1934. She heard the second chapter discusses how Papa Doc, who was a medical doctor, a physician, a popular physician among the peasant, the Haitian peasant, came to power. Then she goes on to discuss uh, you know, to provide an inside portrayal of the man and his presidency. And in chapter 6, she discusses the Duvalier, the complexities during Duvalier's final years. Then you have the rise of Baby Doc, François Duvalier, Jean-Claudism, right? Jean-Claudism. Again, Jean-Claude, the Baby Dog administration is going to fall in 1986, and that's going to give rise to a new transition to Aristide, Jean-Bertrand Aristide, into power. Now, this book was revised, and the title was changed to Haiti, a Shattered Nation. But it's the same text, okay? She did some revisions, but it's the same text. Another text that I want to bring your attention to is by Robert Faton, Haiti's Predatory Republic, the Unending Transition to Democracy. So, in this book, Robert Faton analyzes the many contradictions that the Duvalier administrations, both of them, embody, And he also talks about, the factors, the political factors, the cultural factors, the socio-economic factors that brought about the fall of Duvalier in Haiti, which of course is going to give rise to the coming, right, which he calls the second coming of Jean-Bertrand Aristide. Okay, he goes on in the the last two chapters of the book. He expounds on the Aristide administration, but this book is extremely important, where Faton discusses, the attempts of the Haitian people to live democratically, to live as human beings in their own country. Another text I want to bring to your attention is by Amy Rillins, okay, Rainy Season, okay. Haiti says Duvalier. So what's interesting, Amy has written many important works on Haiti, books on Haitian culture, books on Aristide. But this is, in fact, another great book of hers, is this one, right? Farewell, Fred Voodoo. But I'm not talking about this text. It has nothing to do with the Duvalier regime. I just wanted to point out another excellent text that she wrote on Haiti's Haitians, the struggle of the Haitian people for freedom, for human rights, for collective agency. So again, in this text, Amy delves into this complex subject now to explain, how, the transition, right? Haiti has gone through many political transitions, right? She gives us some interesting account on Baby Doc and July 1987, right? The unrest, okay, in Haiti. Now, interestingly, the titles, some of her chapters are very interesting. The Beast of the Haitian Hills, Words of Deliverance, Cutting Down Trees, right? The Flood, right? Which is a reference to the rise of Jean-Bertrand Aristide's administration. And I have two more texts to bring your attention to. Is this text, For Whom the Dogs Spy, Haiti from the Duvalier dictatorships to the earthquake, for president and beyond. So this text is written by Wayman Joseph. Wayman is was a seasoned Haitian politician. He spent over almost, well, more than 2 decades in Washington, D.C., serving as Haiti's ambassador to Washington. And many people know, well, you may not know, that Raymond A. Joseph is the uncle of the Haitian hip hop artist um, Wyclef Jean. But this is a critical analysis from the pen of a politician. Very important. So, what's interesting about this book, he begins with the Duvalier region, at least to help us understand contemporary Haitian politics, the historical trajectories, the historical consequences, right? That that help us to understand the January 2010 earthquake, and the consequential elections, and in Haiti. And of course, chapter 10 talks about the fall of Baby Duck, and from power. Again, yeah, this is a text I highly recommend. So um, I'm recommending this text. It's called Duvalier's Ghost, race diaspora in the U.S. imperialism and Haitian literatures. When I was doing my PhD a long time ago, um, I had the opportunity to read this text um, and to write a review for a journal. What's interesting about this text, where the author examines um, the issue of race in the Haitian diaspora in connection to U.S. imperialism and the legacy of Duvalierism in Haitian literature. So this is a good perspective for you to understand how some Haitian writers have explored those relationships, different relationships. So I hope this conversation was helpful to you. Some key texts that I have highlight on the politics and the emergence, the birth, or of the two Duvalier, François Duvalier, and Jean-Claude Duvalier, Papa Doc and Baby Doc. I'll see you next time.